Welcome to the University of Rochester Pathology video series. My name is Yobella Cook, and this video reviews the normal histology of the trachea. First, we ask the question, what is the role of the trachea? The trachea, also known as the windpipe, is a tube about 4 inches long and less than an inch long in diameter. It goes under the larynx and then to the bronchi of the lungs. Using the nano-zoom digital pathology slides available in the U of R Histology folder, we will examine the microscopic anatomy of the trachea. Feel free to locate slide 111 and follow along as we explore the trachea. As you can see in this slide, there are 4 main layers of the trachea. Each of them will be discussed in the following slides. Connective tissue. The outermost layer of the trachea is the adventitia connective tissue, which loosely connects the trachea to the surrounding tissues. Tracheal cartilage. The tracheal or hyaline cartilage is the next layer. It is a strong but flexible layer of tissue, which is used to support the trachea while still allowing it to flex, so that air can flow into the lungs. Hyaline cartilage is also resistant to external stresses. Submucosa layer. Next is the submucosal layer, which consists of abundant blood and lymphatic vessels, as well as mucus-secreting glands. Mucosa layer. The mucosal layer is the last and innermost layer. It contains ciliated cells, goblet cells, brush cells, small granule cells, basal cells, and the lamina propria. Each one has a different function. One example includes the ciliated cells, which are the tiny strands at the end that serve as a brush to remove small inhaled particles. Goblet cells. Inside the ciliated pseudostratified columnar epithelium are a type of cell called goblet cells. Their main function is to secrete mucus in order to catch bacteria and other dust particles that may get down the windpipe. This is the normal histology of the trachea. To summarize this presentation, the trachea has a ciliated pseudostratified columnar epithelium, contains mucus-secreting glands that catch bacteria, and is able to flex to allow air to go into the bronchi of the lungs. Thank you for watching and listening to this brief presentation about the normal histology of the trachea.